Topaz AI versus Photoshop. Who wins? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Topaz AI and Photoshop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Topaz AI. Topaz AI is a suite of AI powered tools focused mainly on image enhancement, restoration, and upscaling. Pros of Topaz AI uses powerful AI models to enhance image quality, reduce noise, and upscale resolution. Specialized tools like Topaz, Gigapixel, Denoise, and Sharpen AI for specific editing needs. Very effective for photo restoration and improving old or low quality images. Great for photographers who need quick enhancements without complex editing. Cons of Topaz AI. Limited features outside of enhancement and restoration. Can be expensive if buying all tools separately. Less suited for full-fledged creative design work or complex edits. Now, let's talk about Photoshop. Photoshop is a comprehensive photo editing and graphic design software used by professionals in various creative fields. Pros of Photoshop: industry standard software with a vast array of tools for editing, compositing, and designing. Supports advanced layer based editing, masking, and retouching. Compatible with various plugins and integrates with other Adobe tools. Regular updates and a huge library of tutorials and resources. Cons of Photoshop: steep learning curve for beginners. Requires a subscription, which can be costly over time. Editing can be time consuming without AI automation. So that's basically the main differences are between Topaz AI and Photoshop, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.